Most faceless channels grow in a straight line, and that's exactly why they stay small. Because the channels that scale fast don't rely on consistency alone, they're built to compound. In this video, you'll see the exact model that turns every video into a growth multiplier, not just a one-time result. In the last video, you built a system that turns one idea into multiple videos. Now we take the next step. Because if those videos are not connected, you're leaving most of your growth on the table.
Here's the shift.
A normal channel treats each video as a separate unit, but a compounding channel treats every video as part of a system. That system has 3 layers.
The entry point,
The pathway,
and the accumulation.
Let's break this down. First, the entry point.
Every video you publish brings in new viewers.
But most creators stop there.
They get the click, they get the view, and then the viewer disappears.
A compounding channel does something different. It captures attention and immediately redirects it, not randomly, intentionally. Every video is designed to push the viewer into another video. This is where growth starts to stack, and real results can be seen consistently. Because instead of 1 view per viewer, you start getting 2, 3, 5, or more views. Now the second layer, the pathway. This is where most channels break. They break because they upload content, but they don't guide the behavior of the user. A compounding channel builds paths. Clear, logical next steps. If someone watches one video, there is an obvious next video to watch, where no thinking is required.
And no searching is required.
The focus must be on continuation, because this is how session time increases. And when session time increases, the algorithm pushes more traffic into your channel. Not because of only one video, but because your structured system holds attention. Now the third layer, accumulation. This is where compounding actually happens. Every video you publish adds to a network, not a library, but a network. Your old videos don't disappear or die. Instead, they keep feeding new videos that you create. And those new videos don't have to start from zero, because they plug into existing traffic. So instead of resetting every time you upload, you build momentum.
And that momentum starts stacking.
Okay, let me show you what this all looks like in practice. You publish a video. It gets views. Then inside that video, you direct viewers to a specific next video of yours. Some of them click. Inside that next video, you again direct them to a different video in your channel or series. Some of them click again. Now instead of a single view, you have one viewer watching multiple videos in sequence. Now you have chains of watch time, chains of engagement, chains of traffic. And those chains grow every time you add a new video to the system. That's compounding. Not viral spikes, not random growth, only stacked, predictable expansion. This is why small channels feel stuck. Because they're creating content, but not building connections. And without connections, there is nothing to compound. So the goal is simple. Every video must do these 2 things. The first thing is to bring in new viewers. And the second thing is to move them forward. If it only does one of these 2 things, the system breaks. If it does both things, then the system grows.
And once this is in place, your channel stops behaving like content and starts behaving like infrastructure.
At that point, growth is no longer dependent on effort alone. It becomes a function of structure. And it's structure that scales. But for this to work, you need a constant flow of ideas feeding into this system, because compounding only works if the pipeline never stops. In the next video, we build exactly that, a content pipeline that continuously supplies your channel without running dry. Watch that next.